It's a bike phone mount by CAW.CAR, and it's it's an Amazon purchase. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this and take a look at it, and then go ahead and test it out. So this one, I will post a link in the description. If you ride a motorcycle, or even if you ride a bicycle, or some sort of thing with handlebars, you can, I guess you can technically still even use it on a scooter, like a razor scooter, or those electric scooters, or those electric bikes. You know, pretty much, or a stroller, I guess. Anything that has kind of like a handlebar you can kind of grab onto. You can use it for that. And yeah, it's called a bike and motorcycle mount. But anyways, this is the bike phone mount by CAW.CAR, CAW.CAR accessories. And let's go ahead and unbox this. Sorry, I don't have my unboxing usual setup where I have the whole overhead thing, just because, you know what, I kind of want to set this up right here on my desk and kind of have like the whole top view thing. Maybe I can hang it up from the roof or something. That would be pretty cool, but I think some people would be upset that I'm now taking over space on the roof. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Packaging looks okay. I mean, it has cool stickers and stuff like that. It comes in 2 pieces. So this is the part that clips your phone. This is the part that clips your phone, and you know, has like the little mount for the ball in the back where it clips onto it, and that's gonna clip onto the thingy. And this is like a little guard for your phone, so whenever it's vibrating, your phone doesn't fly off. Because if I wouldn't be so you know, confident of just clipping my phone onto this and having like nothing here to hold on to it. Because if you know, if you hit a bump, or you're running on a stroller or on a scooter, you're gonna have vibrations up and down, and your phone's gonna eventually slide down and fall off. So let's move on to the second part. Sorry, it's so hot in here. Like, I don't put my AC on because it's gonna make noise and in the video and stuff like that. I'm doing it for you guys, you know. Okay, this is the second part, the bottom part that goes onto the handlebars, whatever handlebar you have. This thing kind of twists off, and it opens up. So I guess you can see, I can't really move my microphone stand, so I can clip onto that. But let's say, depending on how wide your handlebars are, then you know, that's where it would sit. And this kind of fell. Hopefully that gets, I think that gets held on place by the oh, there we go. It gets held in place by the handlebars. But it has a, if you guys can see, it has a little like step, like four levels, depending on how big your handlebars are. I think mine would probably be right there. And then this goes on to the back part here. So let's go ahead and open this up. So if you've ever used the phone mount before, you guys already know this deal with that. Kind of clips on, there you go. And then this kind of rotates to be locked, so it doesn't move. I guess you would have to set it up first, your angle that you want, and then, you know, kind of, well, this is kind of falling off. But okay, so then picture the handlebar right there. you would kind of select the step that you want down at the bottom, and then I guess you would close it. You would lock it into place. Kind of like that. There we go. You would lock it into place, and then that's it. You have your little phone mount. Let's go ahead and unlock this and try to mount my phone. And then, oh, it's hot in here. I'm sweating. I'm doing it for you guys, so okay. So we got my phone. We got the phone mount. Like I said, these are the little guards to kind of put it up there. On the website it says for rough rides, but I just do it anyway. So let's just pretend that that's how it's mounted and that's how you want it. You would clip it. Hopefully I don't drop my phone, because that would suck. Having technical difficulties here. Okay, so that's the first part. You clip your phone onto that and it's ready to go, right? But now what I do, just to be extra secure, I always use this. Oh, and then in the box it came with another one of those. I guess if since they are kind of like really thin rubber, they might rip or wear out over time or crack, which will make them weak, and you have to keep an eye on that, because if it starts cracking, that's probably time to replace it. But like I said, these are the little guards, and each one goes over a corner, and then let's see here. Whoops. The phone keeps turning on. And on the bottom part as well, each one goes over a corner, and there you go. You can see the back part. Everything's kind of secure, grabbing the phone. And on the front part, you can see the corners are kind of being held in place right here. The bottom is the most important one, just because I don't really trust this thing. Like, I mean, I haven't really tested it, but I don't trust it enough to where if it's, I'm on the bike on the road, like, it's not going to be like this, crazy. But with the little road and hitting bumps and stuff like that, it's going to probably, shake around every now and then, which I'm scared that my phone's just going to like slowly start repositioning itself and sliding down to where it's just going to fall off, and I'm going to run over it and it's going to break and I'm going to be sad. But that's what it looks like. Let's see. That's what it looks like. The guards on each corner. The back part is all secure, seems extra secure, and then it would be, sitting on your handlebars, and then you can kind of look at it. You know what I'm saying? So, and then just make sure you tighten the, the back part back here. It's like a little knob, and then you can tighten it so it doesn't move, like your phone doesn't readjust. But let's go ahead and take it out for a test drive, and we'll be right back. Let's go. guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride. I made a quick trip to the bank. Got to deposit some money, and then I made a trip around to Main Street in Garden Grove. If you guys know Garden Grove, the old Main Street where they have the farmers market, and then they have like all the low riders and car meetups and stuff like that every like once a month or so. That's where I went down the street. It was a pretty crazy sight to see with all the stuff that's been going on. So car mount, I mean phone mount wise, I really enjoyed. I really liked that the phone was not falling off, and that these little like clip things held in place. These little rubber edge guards, I guess you can say, or fasteners or something, that they really held, like they didn't shake or anything. The only thing that I didn't like, oh, and this handlebar section really held in place. I mean, you clip it onto whatever level handles you're on, and it just stays there. It doesn't like rotate up or down or anything. It doesn't move. The only thing that I did not like was, and it's probably my fault for now, I'm going to keep testing it and giving you guys an update on my Instagram or on my Snapchat maybe. I don't know. I think lately I've been losing faith in my Instagram channel for Disney stuff. So I might be changing that one up a little bit. But the thing that I did not like was this mount, this little rotator ball here. No matter how much I felt like I tightened it, it kind of, see, like right now it doesn't readjust. But yeah, that was it. Alright guys, talk to you guys later. Bye.